Went to Cuba in 1975. It was really a wonderful experience with the Venceremos Brigade, and they're a national organization, and they do solidarity work with Cuba. And we were doing construction work there.
With Cuban construction
in Cuba. Mm-hmm. There were previous brigades that did cane, you know, farming kind of work, cutting cane, real strenuous kind of thing. But this wasn't that bad, really. We said it was a lot of pico y pala, you know, pick and shovel. Very labor intensive. You know, they don't have the machinery or the tools that we have quite. Very primitive compared to here, at least back then. I don't know if they've caught up with us or not. But either way, it was a very intriguing kind of experience. Women were treated real equal, except for they said that it wasn't good for you to do the jackhammer. So of course I got some pictures taken of me faking like I was using the jackhammer. But they said it jiggled your ovaries too much. There's something to that, I think, actually. Anyway, I was there for 9 weeks. We worked for 6 weeks, and then we toured the country for 3 weeks. It was a really long trip, fun trip. And it was also the year that Vietnam won its victory, so we were there when we celebrated that. And when I came back, you know, I decided, you know, it's not so crazy doing work with your hands. I can actually do it. You know, I never thought about going into construction before that trip. I had a degree from the UW already, and I was doing, you know, worked at Boeing and came to the law office and doing, you know, office work kind of stuff. But I didn't think about becoming an electrician. And then when I came back, I thought, yeah, I can handle this. It's not that big of a deal. You know, I knew there were issues around getting along in the trades, but I'm talking about the work itself.